is no one-size-fits-all or drug or alcohol treatment. At Destiny Treatment Center, we recognize that different therapies have varying effects on people depending on their unique circumstances. Some of our addiction treatment therapies include cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, is a type of psychotherapy that approaches treatment by teaching people how to think differently about problems and emotions. According to cognitive behavioral therapy, if we change our thinking, we change our emotions and behaviors. Similarly, if we have learned unwanted feelings in the ways of thinking, we can unlearn them. Dialectical behavioral therapy, or DBT, is ideal for those who struggle to regulate emotions and have thoughts of self-harm or suicide. This type of therapy focuses on accepting uncomfortable thoughts, feelings, or behaviors, which then allows the patient to overcome them. The ultimate goal of DBT is to decrease the frequency and severity of self-harming behavior and encourage healthy change. Dialectical behavior therapy has been shown to be effective in treating the following alignments, such as mood disorder, personality disorder, eating disorders, self-destructive behavior, also known as somatic experiencing. Somatic therapies are a form of therapeutic practices that intend to relieve the symptoms of PTSD and similar trauma-related issues. This process aims to resolve the physical and mental difficulties that are brought forth by trauma so the patient can better deal with them in everyday situations. The brain and body store more than we expect, and they can hold on to painful memories we thought we stowed away in the archives or attempted to hide. Many of us often try to forget these memories by turning to drugs or alcohol as a coping mechanism. Trained specialists take advantage of brain spotting exercises which can help us access where our traumas are stored in our brains so we can overcome them and live a healthier and more fulfilling life. After people change their diets and supplement their food intake with the right amount of amino acids, essential fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals, they can begin to deal with their alcoholism and drug use. With the proper nutrition and supplements, the brain manufactures the chemicals that are needed to regulate mood and behavior. At Destiny Treatment Center, food serves more frequent with even dispersed meal times, never hungry, never full. Learning to eat smaller meals and keeping a healthy snack on hand avoids sugar crashes and helps keep blood sugar levels stable to enhance long-term recovery. A general education into the systems and events that influence the way our brain functions, whether through mindfulness techniques or understanding how our diet affects our brain's chemical balance, we equipped patients to the knowledge they need for long-lasting recovery. Relapse prevention therapy is designed to help you anticipate the possibility of relapsing by helping you recognize high-risk situations and develop unique coping strategies that address your urges to use. Through RPT, our team teaches you a proactive approach at maintaining your sobriety. Psychotherapy is a general term for treating mental health problems by talking with a psychiatrist, psychologist, or other mental health provider. During psychotherapy, you learn more about your condition and your moods, feelings, thoughts, and behaviors. EMDR focuses on past life experiences that you and your therapist believe to be responsible for your addiction and mental health today. The goal of EMDR is to help you focus on a particular memory, one that has contributed to your emotional disturbances, and transform it into a positive cognition. By addressing events that have caused your current mindset, you can work toward changing your thought processes behind these emotions, giving you the tools you need to adapt your mind to the future. When someone suffers from addiction, it not only affects them, but it also those around them. Just like the person suffering from the addiction goes to therapy to address their issues, their family needs help too. Family therapy has been used to treat many mental and behavioral health concerns and helps to mend relationships that have been strained by addiction and mental health disorders. Neurofeedback therapy is a powerful way to train your brain to function healthily, all without any medication or invasive procedures. When someone is addicted to something, the brain gives that substance the same level of significance as food. Addiction leads to the disruption of brain circuits involved in reward and control. Neurotherapy pinpoints the mind-firing brain waves associated with the hijacked brain and conditions it to reduce resistance to addiction treatment, improving aftercare, compliance, and long-term abstinence.